The Sports Day.
Starring The Guide to Loving Pink,
The bird that lived on the ground.
The pirate sailor down the sea.
The little fish who didn't have a friend. Little bunny hop hop hop. The dinosaur who lost his roar. After the library had been locked on a hot summer day, books sprang to life.
Let's have a sports day, they said.
First it was the jumping competition. The bin jumped bravely over the tallest shelf. Hooray!
The Guide to Loving Pink aced the den building competition. It looked like a princess's castle.
The fish book swam its way to the finish line of the running race.
Amazing.
Robo-Rex had no problem winning the TV watching competition. That's kind of my competition.
The pirate book won at hide and seek. He was an expert at hiding treasure.
Finally, the dinosaur book and the little bunny won the sleeping competition.
In fact, when the library opened again, all of the books were fast asleep.
The end.